If you want to get good health care, you need to do it in a way that you have an active, informed patient. So if you or I go to the doctor, we've researched it, we've written our notes, we are talking about it, especially like if it's our kids or our parent. But in the nursing home, you have a bunch of people that have no one. And then they're trying to they don't have the ability to communicate. So you have to have that informed, activated patient that can interact with a prepared, proactive practice team that cares about the person. And if you have that, you're good. But most of the time you don't have that informed, activated patient. Even family members. I've seen family members where there's a nurse in the family or a doctor, and because they're family, don't get the best care because they're not objective. So we try and put that objectiveness into the system and making sure that we get the very best care for the person. It's just that simple. And then trying to have that ripple out to a more systemic change. For the amount of money that goes through it, you would think that it would be better, but they employ people who do care but maybe aren't paid enough. I mean, it's difficult. We just saw a nursing home get taken over. That's another thing where it's going from nonprofit to corporate, and so people are saying, well, this culture changed, and so we're done, we're gonna get out of here. And then that leaves a patient without enough care or enough caregivers to be there. So it's just a challenge, and so we're just constantly having to poke them a little bit. And people have to know their rights. There's laws about dignity in nursing homes and Nursing Home Reform Act that people don't know if they're not in the law. And so we try to really bring that to the nursing home and say, that you can't just discharge this person because XYZ happened. You've got to follow the rules. And I just want them to follow the rules and do their best. I would just say that the nursing home is a really broken system, and not having an advocate on your team puts you at a major disadvantage. So we want to make sure that we're bringing that advocacy to an otherwise kind of broken system. And we're happy to do that because every day I get to make a difference.